Hello guys. Today we will see how to lower cholesterol. Let's go then. Lowering cholesterol levels is important for heart health. Here are some steps you can take to lower your cholesterol. Number 1. Dietary changes. Reduce saturated fats. Limit your intake of foods high in saturated fats, such as red meat, full-fat dairy products, and fried foods. Increase soluble fiber. Foods like oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables can help lower cholesterol. Choose healthier fats. Opt for unsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Fish. Eat fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines, which contain heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Number 2. Exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise each week. Number 3. Lose weight. Shedding excess weight can help lower cholesterol levels. Number 4. Quit smoking. Smoking can lower your good cholesterol, HDL, and increase your risk of heart disease. Number 5. Limit alcohol. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Excessive alcohol intake can raise cholesterol levels. Number 6. Medications. In some cases, your doctor may prescribe medications, such as statins, to lower cholesterol. These are usually considered if lifestyle changes alone are not effective. Number 7. Regular checkups. Have your cholesterol levels checked regularly and follow your doctor's advice. Remember that genetics can also play a role in cholesterol levels. It's essential to work with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized plan that suits your specific needs and risk factors. This information is a starting point, and it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider for guidance tailored to your situation. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.